Caribbean show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yacht to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked. Jamaican Independence, the America Jamaica Association Ball, and the official Atlanta Caribbean Music Chart.
That is right.
This is Island Heat. Welcome, welcome, massive. You are tuned into episode 91 of Atlanta's top-rated Caribbean podcast. We are your hosts. I'm Lady Lalabella, and I'm next to
DJ Super Peck. And now, of course, here on the Island Heat, we discuss the best in Caribbean music, culture, trending topics, and of course, we interview the island movers and shakers. We also test your knowledge about the Caribbean with our All Things Caribbean trivia. And of course, as we mentioned, we count down the top 10 songs by Atlanta-based Caribbean artists and producers.
Absolutely. And this episode is powered by APAP Media Group. APAP Media Group is a full-service creative video and photo production company. They specialize in podcasting, multi-camera recording, and live streaming. If you're interested in their services, you can reach out by contacting them by email info@apapmedia.com.
That's right. Now, hold on to your seats, folks, as we get ready to jump into today's show, which the theme of today's show is Jamaica 63. Yes, indeed. Jamaica at 63, celebrating resilience, culture, and global influence.
Be proud, be bold, in the black, green, and gold.
Yes, yes.
I love that slogan. We are celebrating 63 years after the Union Jack was lowered and the black, green, and gold first rose over the independent Jamaica. That flag that continues to ripple far beyond the island's shores. It's the richness, the spirit, the culture of contribution that has been Jamaica's greatest export. This year's Independence theme, Be Proud, Be Bold, in the black, green, and gold, resonates deeply with Jamaicans at home and abroad. It's a call not only to wear the colors, but to live them. This is a sense of identity, resilience, pride, and deeply rooted nationalism as a hallmark of Jamaica's global influence.
That is right. Now, whether through reggae, track and field, cuisine, or activism, Jamaican brand is instantly recognizable, and it is not powered by the government alone, but it is propelled by Jamaican people, especially those in the diaspora.
Yes, indeed.
Now, nowhere is the influence more visible than in the United States, where Jamaican Americans have made a mark in every field, from the classroom to the boardroom to the state capitals and Capitol Hill. Now, Jamaica's 63 years have not been without challenges. Economic shocks, natural disasters, and social struggles among them. But the island's global visibility and influence far exceed its size.
You better believe it, as the national anthem swells this Independence Day and flags are hoisted in parishes and parks around the world. Let us be reminded that the black, green, and gold are more than just fabric. They are memory, they are movement, and they are a mission. And as we enter into this brand new chapter, let us walk boldly in their meaning, not just as a nation, but as a global Jamaican family.
That is right. Now, Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean Sea in the West Indies. It is the third largest in the Caribbean, only after Cuba and Hispaniola. And of the Greater Antilles and the Caribbean, Jamaica lies about 145 kilometers south of Cuba and has roughly 3 million inhabitants. Jamaica is the third most populous English-speaking country in the Americas and the fourth most populous in the Caribbean. Kingston is the capital, and it is the largest city.
Now, with Lickle, but with Talawa, the British fully emancipated all the slaves in 1838, and many freedmen chose to have subsistence farms rather than work on plantations. Beginning in the 1840s, the British began using Chinese and Indian indentured laborers for plantation work. It wasn't until Jamaicans achieved independence from the United Kingdom on the 6th of August in 1962 that Black, Green, and Gold rang true.
There you go. There you go. And so today we celebrate Jamaican independence, the 63rd anniversary of the independence of the Black, Green, and Gold. Jamrock. Listen, big up to all Jamaicans, especially those here in the Atlanta area. You know, we do it big. We had a lot of celebrations, and we have some other celebrations that are going to be coming up. We're going to be, talking a little bit more about that in a little while. But this week is a big week for Jamaica and for reggae music. And, there's been some historical things that have happened in the culture this week. Now, on August 1st, in 1838, Jamaica's slavery was abolished, right? Mm-hmm. So emancipation happened then, and also happened for several other Caribbean islands under the British rule at that time. On this day, August 1st, also in 1914, we saw the Universal Negro Improvement Association was launched by Marcus Garvey.
Amazing. And on the 2nd of August, 1920, Marcus Garvey presents the Back to Africa program in New York, the speech that held 25,000 people where he urged blacks to become self-sufficient and return to Africa.
Now, August 6th, 1977, Sir Alexander Bustamante, the first Prime Minister of Jamaica, passed away at the age of 93. He was born on the 22nd of February, 1884. So isn't it amazing that on the day that the country that he became the first prime minister of is also the day that he passed away, celebrating. And, wow, that's like really, that's just crazy to me,
Yes, I think the spiritual world is definitely intact. Here in 2003, on the same date, and August 6th, Jimmy Cliff is awarded with the Order of Merit, Jamaica's third highest honor, and Jimmy just celebrated a birthday recently.
Yes. As you mentioned birthdays, I got to say shout outs to Aunt Judy on her birthday today. Happy birthday, Aunt Judy. All right.
Yes, with all the Leo family, the Lions, them, your lodge.
Indeed. Now, folks, we're going to go ahead and test your knowledge with our All Things Caribbean Trivia.
So you're done, Noah, so it's time to test the knowledge of Caribbean history. So get your pens and papers, cue up your phones, and let's see what today's trivia question is.
Yes. Now, today's trivia question, if you've been paying attention, if you're a good student and been focusing in class, all right, you should have picked this up in our introduction. Which Caribbean island is the first to gain independence? Was that Trinidad and Tobago? Was that Dominica? Is it Barbados? Or D, is it Jamaica?
Well, we'll give you some time to figure out the answer. We're going to jump into some music so we can really get the island heat going.
That is right. Now, last week we celebrated the Atlanta version of the festival song competition here, right? And with the JIIFSC song competition here. And the winner is Mr. Lee Priest Johnson, and Jamaica in My Blood is the big song taking home that Jamaica International Independence Foreign Song Competition title this year. Take a listen, folks.
All Jamaicans, whether you're their yard or you're their foreign land, you don't forget where you come from, because Jamaica in your blood. Oh, Lord. Woo! Bibidi bang ba ding ding, bibidi bang ba ding ding, bibidi bang ba ding ding, hey, Lord God. Bibidi bang ba ding ding, bibidi bang ba ding ding, bibidi bang ba ding ding, hey. Everywhere I go, Jamaica in my blood. I want the world to know Jamaica in my blood. I as me breath it a blow. Jamaica in me blood. So when you get a little time, visit Jamaica, chill and unwind. High revives, nice sunshine, no problem, everything fine. Take a trip down a Montego Bay, Tonjiba Falls, St. Anne's, Oche, Portland, Westmoreland, Kingston, Manchester, Trelawney. Everywhere I go, Jamaica in me blood. I want the world to know, Jamaica in me blood. Always believe in a snow, Jamaica in me blood. As long as me breath it a blow, Jamaica in me blood. Just listen to the history. Some people believe say a mystery. How it's a little like Calabar, lead them in the Calabar, make it got the praise in a victory. Lord, fastest man and woman, best beaches, pretty white sand. When it come to music and food, my lord, we are number one. Everywhere I go, Jamaica in me blood. I want the world to know, Jamaica in me blood. Always believe in a snow, Jamaica in me blood. As long as me breath it a blow, Jamaica in me blood.
That's right, Jamaica in my blood, the number one song in the international foreign song competition, held right here in the state of Georgia. You know, that's how we do, representing big time.
Yes, and you already know we're partnered, so we're going to get the interview very soon with the winner.
That is correct. That is correct. Now, last week on the program, we had a very special guest rolling through, joining us, right?
July.
The lovely July Bailey, and you know she sent a very special gift over. So I just want to, I got to get this on real quick before we even go any further. Because, you know, we have to back our show off when you get nice things. You have to let people know about these nice things, all right?
Barrel reach.
Hey, it's July Bailey representing the Super Peck. Super Peck, why really bad? Do you really bad for me?
Trouble did it.
I mean, the Box Lodge.
Super Peck, something about you. Got every woman talking about you, yeah. So I come here with plans to do everything them tell me say don't do, yeah. Them experience cancel. Say the good in your someone want you, yeah. How do you pass me? It's just a bubble where you touch me, feel me. Rub up on my body and touch me, feel me. Ooh, I give it a see. Put Super Peck on me. Even want you real bad, do you really bad for me? I give it a see. Put Super Peck on me. Even want you real bad, do you really bad for me?
Remember, go back and check out last week's episode if you missed it, all right? Remember to like, comment, and share, yeah? July Bailey. Yeah, let's go. Let's juggle. Brand new music, y'all. This is Lila IK alongside Protoje. All over the world.
In New York, they want me, and I'm gonna be there. That city's calling, yes, I'm gonna be there. Africa is crying, yes, I'm gonna be there. Spreading the love all over the world.
Step out normally, on me like a million for me. Paper fold up like a origami. Now go see me and no pull up with the army. Anyway them call we hard like the place now. Reggae with the rhythm and the bass now. Style you cool like cash about that chase now. Bobby said them I got tired till we face now. When the dance stage show, we come around then. We are bringing vibes in on your town then. I feel living life in the moment. Lila, me tell you from town. Now you realize that the whole world know then.
All worry they want we, and we gonna be there.
Oh yeah.
Brazil keeps calling, yes, you gonna see me. In Japan them want me, and I'm gonna be there. Spreading the love all over the world. All over the world.
That's what we do. We're spreading the love
over the world.
all over the world. That's how, you know, we're bringing that island heat, you know, we're spreading it all over the world. Yeah, and that's what we do each and every Monday right here. APAP, that's how we do. Yeah. Now today we're celebrating Jamaica 63.
Yes, amazing how many years have passed and transpired with continuous growth of Jamaica land we love.
Chat about. Yo, everyone. So we're gonna ask them, remind them of the trivia question real quick, and then see if anybody was able to come up with the answer for the trivia question of the week, which is, which Caribbean island was the first to gain independence? Was it A, Trinidad and Tobago? Was it B, Dominica? Was it C, Barbados? Or D, Jamaica?
I mean, the answer is self-explanatory, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to say it in 1, 2, 3. Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, land we love. The answer is D.
That is right. The very first to become independent. I told, when we were talking about Juneteenth, there were those who asked to be free. And then there's others who took it. It was a different thing. It's a different thing. Yeah.
And our thing set up different from long time.
Oh, from long time. Yeah.
From the Maroons all the way down to now.
Chat about. Yeah.
The rebellious spirit living our blood.
Let me tell you, folks. So let me tell you, we've got some great folks here in the ATL who are representing for Jamaica on a wide scale. Their mission is to foster goodwill and understanding among Jamaicans and all peoples in the Metro Atlanta area through civic, economic, cultural, and philanthropic programs and activities, and to provide assistance to Jamaicans living in the area and in Jamaica. That is the stated mission of the Atlanta Jamaica Association, Inc. And joining us, representing that wonderful organization this evening on the program, is Dr. Clover Hall. Welcome, Dr. Clover Hall.
Oh, thank you both so much.
It's a pleasure. Good evening.
Good evening. Now, Dr. Clover Hall, tell the people what is your role in the Jamaica Atlanta Jamaica Association.
Okay, right now I am a member of the Education Committee, which is really near and dear to my heart. That's the committee that focuses on fundraising, but also giving scholarships to students, well-deserving students from Jamaica and here, who go through a process each year, an application process. They have to do an essay, then they get shortlisted. We do interviews, and from that we select the winners, and those winners will be awarded scholarships at our upcoming ball this Saturday. So that's just one of my tasks right now. At one point I was a vice president, and I've been on various committees. I'm also on the ball committee and the public relations committee. My special committee, though, is the education committee.
Okay. Now you are years of an educator.
Yes.
Yeah. How many years have you been, or were you teaching?
More than 20 years. I was at St. John's University in New York.
Okay.
And prior to that, I was at a smaller college in New Rochelle, New York, Iona.
All right.
But I spent most of my professional career at St. John's University in New York. Retired there in 2015, and then moved to Atlanta.
All right.
Got involved with Atlanta Jamaican Association here.
Well, thank you for your service in the classroom. Education is so important. Today is the first day back in school for a lot of the young ones here in the state. So thank you for that, and thank you for all that you do in the community. It is so very, very, very important. And I was, as you were describing, the process to select the winners, I said, boy, when it comes to scholastics in Jamaica, you can't come easy. You have to, you have to bright. You have to have your things together and things. But there are so many bright and deserving students. And that's a wonderful thing. So, very worthy cause to raise these funds for this important scholarship. Now, have you already selected the winners, and do they know us yet, or is it going to be all unveiled this Saturday?
Oh no, yes, they know. We have a whole schedule that is, posted on our website, and so
Okay.
they knew all the deadlines, and we have interviewed and we have selected. As a matter of fact, the winners have submitted little video clips and so on that hopefully we'll play at the ball on Saturday, and also sent little bios that we'll be putting into the journal so people can really read a little bit more about these students. And I had to do a report at the last meeting of the associate. I was really tearing up because I had selected an essay from one of the students who talked about who was her role model. And when you read these things and you talk to these students and see, number one, their financial need, but just their
Oh,
really makes
oh,
you
there we
want
go.
Okay.
to, do whatever you can to really help.
Yes, yes, doing whatever we can to help make sure these
Important.
scholarships are available. Yeah, we're having a little bit of a connection issue. It seems like there, Dr. Clover Hall. You're freezing just a little bit.
Ooh, okay.
All right, but it
Better?
looks like we're good. It looks like we're good to go. So let everybody know about the Independence Ball and Scholarship Awards, which is going to be happening on the 9th of August. So tell everybody about that event. It's
Okay, so this is like there have been many events so far for independence. We had a cultural program for Emancipation Day. There was a street dancing and a service yesterday. But the signature event is the Independence Ball and Scholarship Awards. And this is really sponsored by the Atlanta Jamaican Association and the AJ Cultural and Educational Fund. It's going to be at the Atlanta Marriott Marquis, a beautiful, beautiful hotel in Atlanta on Peachtree Center Avenue. And you were talking earlier, you mentioned about Marcus Garvey. And every year we try to focus on something that's really significant. In addition to having the scholarship awards, other presidents awards, a lot of dancing, etc. For this Saturday, we are going to be focusing on Marcus Garvey. We really think he's such a central figure. Of course, he was pardoned at the end of last year by President
yes,
Biden. And, we have a very big connection with Marcus Garvey in Atlanta. You mentioned about him in New York in 1920, but in 1917, he gave his first speech in Atlanta at the Bethel Big Bethel AME Church on
yes,
March 25, 1917. And earlier this year, on March 25, with our keynote speaker who spearheaded all of this, the AJA, as we call the Atlanta Jamaican Association, um, helped to provide and foster a whole program where there was a plaque that was installed at the church that represented that initial speech in Atlanta.
Wonderful.
We just think that's, hopefully people can go. It's the Big Bethel on Auburn Avenue in Atlanta. And so we now have a permanent record of Marcus Garvey's first speech in Atlanta and the connection with the Jamaican community, but also the wider Atlanta and the wider American community. And so we're having Stephen Golding, who is, you probably know of him, a
yes.
Garvey scholar, a social activist, etc. He is going to be the keynote speaker to sort of continue this dialogue and to really, talk about some of the inspirational things and comments and statements from Marcus Garvey, and really, how can we really apply some of that? How can we get our young people to understand some of those tenets of Marcus
Yes,
Garvey? So
indeed.
that's going to be a part of it. There'll be a lot of music. You talked about the JIIFC winner. He will be um, for the last few years, we have had the winner with Dr. McCook. We've had the winner also at the ball. So he'll be doing his song,
Okay.
and the band that covered all of those participants, the SWAT band, will be the band that will be providing music for most of the evening.
All
In
right.
addition, we're gonna have DJ Cool Rice and Mikey Sparkle. There'll be something for everyone.
That's right. Hey, bring your dancing shoes. You know, Mikey Sparkle and Cole Rice on the ones and twos. They know how to do the
Right.
thing. The SWAT band has been doing their thing for quite a while in the Atlanta area. So if you love the live music, if you love the DJ vibes, they got a little bit of something for everybody. I love it.
I do. It's an
Yes.
amazing event. And I just have a question for you, Dr. Hall.
Sure.
How are you impacting these youth in a way that makes them want to take up the baton now and want to be more participant in not only their individual cultures, but the cultures of the diaspora?
Right. We've for quite a few years we have been trying to not just to give the award in that first year, but to establish an ongoing relationship with the students. And we're looking to the students themselves to sort of spearhead it. And we do have a core of students from this year who we have now said that for at least 1 year they need to really try to establish connection to the previous winners and incoming students, and so our education committee is really working on that with them. And I have to say that this year, unsolicited, we received 2 letters from 2 of our previous winners that really talked about the impact that the scholarship award has had on them and how they want to pay it forward. And then we also received another letter from somebody who has graduated, who again, mentioned just the importance of the award, and also that he now wants to start to financially contribute to the education fund.
So it's a
So
cohort now.
it's a cohort, it's a circle. The committee is a small committee, but we're committed to working with these students and to mentoring and to providing whatever services we can have on an ongoing basis. So it's it's
Excellent.
it's just exciting. It's exciting.
Amazing, amazing. So, folks, it all goes down this Saturday night. All right, Saturday evening. You want to be there, as Dr. Hall was saying. Very, very, very elegant venue. Like it's really nice.
Posh, very
Yes,
posh.
very ballish. Yes. So
And it's a long evening. It's from 6:30. There are going to be some President's Awards for some organizations that have made major contributions to the community, some individuals. Basil Watson, you might know of him, fantastic sculptor, international acclaim. He's going to receive one of the President's Awards. Caribbean International Shipping, um, Guyanese owners, but they are so committed to the whole diaspora in providing services, whether it's through hurricane or just other times. Um, Sophie Gibson, and the Jamaica Tourist Board, which
okay,
is celebrating 70 years. So
okay.
we are also going to be awarding, the president will be having an award for the Jamaica Tourist Board.
Amazing. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now, if people would like to purchase their ticket in advance, can they do that?
Yes, actually, we do need everyone to purchase their tickets in advance, right? This is a formal event. Everybody to come if they would like in their green and gold, have to be.
Black, green, and gold.
Event. So we want everybody to be dressed up. But by the same token, we have to let the hotel know, right? Because everybody has to be seated. So we
Right.
do need to have
That
everybody
quota.
purchase their tickets. You can purchase your tickets online, but I think the easy. Let me give you 2 pieces of information that might be the easiest way to do this. So the phone number is 404-777-9593. And that will actually get you the president, who is on the ball, and she'll respond to you in a second. And then the website, So we have a direct link to the ticket tailor that we're using, but it might just be easier. The website, the link will be there, and that's www.atlantajamaicanassociation.org.
All right.
So again, yes. So either of those, but yes, please get your tickets. So we want everything to run as like clockwork. We want to have maximum time for dancing, taking
And folks,
photos.
it's a long evening, right? It's a long. It starts at 6 and goes past midnight. So you got to think, Grammy Awards, right? Academy Awards. Like you got to come prepared, ready, for the
Red carpet ready.
red carpet ready. That's what we're
Red
talking about.
carpet,
That's right. That's
step
right.
in the peak manner.
All of that. Yeah. Make sure that evening both sides are your good side. Yeah. Okay.
That's professional photography, 360 photo booth.
The
if
photo
you want
booth
to
and
get
all of that.
it
See?
there.
All right.
All
All
of
right.
that will be there. Great food, great company. And yes, we'll be celebrating young people, we'll be celebrating established organizations and individuals. And I'll just add at the end here, I've also found out that I'll be getting an award. So,
Oh, well, congratulations.
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 Absolutely.
Well deserved. Well deserved. She said she retired in 2015. It's 2025. So she's still going strong and doing probably more right now than she was before. Very busy in the community. Thank you so much, Dr. Hall, for taking the time to join us this evening on the program.
my pleasure. And thank you for all of that good information that you shared with the listeners. And thank you for having us on. And we're hoping many of your listeners, many of your watchers will be there on Saturday. Again, please try to get your ticket in advance. We have to.
Yes, folks, this is not a at the door event. You got to purchase your ticket in advance. All right. Make sure you get the suit tailored and pressed and cleaned. Ladies, break out the gowns. This is that kind of right. Okay, proper thing.
right.
Proper thing.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank
Okay, have a
you.
great night.
Thank you
Okay,
so
bye.
very much, Dr. Hall.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence, indeed. Now, Jamaica 63 is the theme of the program this evening. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast right here on APAT Media. We are your host, DJ Superbeck.
And I'm Lady Lalabella, and we'll just jump right into the MP's desk.
Yes. And major things going on around the independence and also emancipation. There was a church service yesterday here in Atlanta celebrating the Emancipation Day. It was a very, very uplifting experience. Kudos go out to the Honorary Consul of Jamaica in Atlanta, Dr. Elaine Grant Bryant, who coordinated the very special experience. The Sugar Canes turned out, gave a stellar performance, amazing rendition of the U.S. anthem, and The Goodness of God by Joan Maris. And we also had pioneers were recognized for their contribution to the community. And I think we have a little footage from that. Good friend Red Carpet Shelley was out about at the event. I think we have a little clip of that.
Well. Look what the Lord has done. This is a celebration, is it not? Celebrating 63 years of excellence. So I just want to greet everyone, greetings to one and all. And today is a special day because today is a day that we come together with pride and with joy in our hearts to celebrate Jamaica's 63rd year of independence. 63 years of resilience, 63 years of culture, and 63 years of progress. Can we give the Lord some praise for that?
There you have it. Just a little clip from the church service that was held to celebrate emancipation and independence yesterday here in the Atlanta area. And the MP from her desk, the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, had a special message also to deliver to everyone.
She went on to say that there is much that we have achieved as a nation. After 63 years, there's so much to celebrate. Let's come together as proud Jamaicans. Be proud, be black in the black, gold, and green for emancipation, jubilee, independence, Jamaica 63.
That's
63
right.
years ago, our people decided that we should set out on our own to manage our affairs as an independent country. When I reflect on the journey, when I look at all the strides we have made, particularly the economic, social, infrastructural, and cultural development during the last 9 years, I've never been prouder to be Jamaican. For this year's independence celebrations, we have chosen to rally the country around the theme, be proud, be bold, in the black, green, and gold. It's a celebration of every Jamaican, from every walk of life, who has contributed to fashioning our unique national identity. Our national colors represent the strength and creativity of the Jamaican people, our country's natural wealth and sunlight, as well as hope and agricultural resources. For festival this year, let us come together as proud Jamaicans. Let us fly the flag high. Let us decorate buildings and wear the national colors from now until Independence Day on August 6th. There would be no independence without emancipation. And so we will pay due respect to the ancestors at the National Emancipation Jubilee at Seville Heritage Park in St. Anne on July 31. The Independence Village is back at the National Indoor Sports Center from August 2 to Independence Day, August 6. Join us each day for concerts, art and craft, activities for children, and the big one, the Grand Gala in the National Stadium, which will be a spectacular celebration of Jamaica. There will also be street dances in parish capitals on Independence Day and in every constituency. There is much that we have achieved as a nation. After 63 years, there is much to celebrate. Be proud, be bold in the black, green, and gold.
And we're celebrating right here in Atlanta. Happy Emancipation Day to Antigua and Barbuda, the Bahamas, Belize, Dominica, Barbados, Guyana, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and don't forget about Trinidad and Tobago.
That's right. That's right. When the British said they abolished slavery, all their colonies were emancipated. So we share that in common with our former fellow British colonies. Yeah.
And we're still brothers and sisters because we're always lifting each other up and uplifting each other through music, culture, and cuisine.
That is right. And, and they took us all from the same place. So, I want people, yeah?
Authentically Afro-Caribbean.
There you go. There you go. Now, the Jamaica Festival Song Competition was also held a week ago. And the large and enthusiastic audience turned out to Emancipation Park for the evening to see the 10 finalists of this year's competition. And the winner was Miss Abby D. Dunstan. Mm-hmm. And she emerged the winner with a song entitled Sweet Jamaica. Let's give them a little taste of that one.
Yes, I.
J.A. Sweet voice.
Sweet voice, sweet song.
Go ahead, Miss Abby D. We're the winner of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition this year with Sweet J.A.
And Abby D is the second woman in a row to win the festival song competition following last year's winner, Camilla Candy Isaacs. Big up to the gal there.
Oh. Yes, folks, tell us what you think about that in the comments. Do remember, like, share, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, all that good stuff. Yeah.
Do you have a favorite festival song?
Well, I would say it's been updated. I was a real classic, you know. Yeah, but when Buju won with I'm Jamaican, that yeah, you know, Jamaica, what Jamaican. There you go. You can. So that's like
my favorite.
That's your favorite.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, man.
It just rings true, and in COVID we needed that.
Yeah.
We needed that return.
Gargamel, forward off,
Trend.
off of the plantation, the
Right.
workhouse. Yeah,
Yes.
and when he fired back, shit,
back with the
and it was right away. So yeah, man. Big up.
Yeah, Songs of Liberation is definitely what we need. And talking about stars, Jamaica Gospel Star Finals have recently passed, and congratulations to Raheem Betty.
Yes. He is this year's 2025 Gospel Star winner. He was chosen from 4 finalists who appeared at the National Indoor Sports Center for the Jamaica Gospel Star Finals and Jamaica Praise Concert. We commend the finalists, all who did well and performed. We have a little video of that as well, I think.
Take a look.
Of course, mommy in front.
Must. Proud of our son.
Hold on now. Yep, the place moving like it's Ding Dong Ravers. Is Ding Dong Ravers or is it the gospel show?
All of my trials, I cannot bear these burdens alone. My distress, promise to every he ever cares, love all his own. Tempted and tried.
All right now. Got a message for him.
Indeed. The man said, we can dance, but we can sing too.
All right.
We can sing.
He's in that gift for good.
Yes, indeed. Congratulations, Raheem, doing the thing right there.
Yeah, you're making Jamaica proud.
Big up. And we have another crowning. Another crowning. Royalty just keep flowing.
It's the festival queen, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen. Big congrats to the one named Brittany Clark for your 2025 Miss Jamaica Festival Queen crown. You were presented on Kingston and St. Andrew and won Miss Congenial, Miss Most Poised, and Most Popular on Social Media. Now, the first runner
That's a category now? Most popular on social media?
Why not?
Oh my God, we did it, Joe. We did it. Oh, Brittany Clark, the new festival queen, 2025. We represented Kingston and St. Andrew.
Yes.
Like, just talk to me. Like, I'm sure right now your life is feeling pretty golden.
Oh yes, my man made it.
Yes, yes.
But it's really an amazing opportunity. I am humbled and honored to have been selected as this year's festival queen. Honestly, it has been a wholesome and transformative experience. I have learned a lot. I'm always for personal development, so
Yes.
this was just another step along the way.
Yes, yes. So, just talk to me about like tonight now. Like, how were you, you know, in your mindset to pace yourself?
Wow, I think what I came in was with a sense of peace. I was really just grounded and knew what I came here to do. I really just wanted to ensure that I gave my best performance tonight, and I believe I did so, given that I was selected. But for sure, it was really just about the journey and just ensuring that you execute and compartmentalize. So not thinking about what's to come after, just focus on the talent, for example, execute and just move along.
Yeah, no, you won quite a number of the sectional prizes, and I'm sure there are some you probably didn't want and never end up I get it. So like when you saw all of those like announcements that you come on stage, I'm pretty sure that your confidence was growing.
Of course, I mean, it's always a great experience and feeling when your name is called, especially more than once. But again, I would have come out, I would have executed accordingly. And I'm just grateful. I thank the judges, I thank the JCDC for this opportunity to really represent as cultural ambassadors and just to showcase what it is that I can bring to the table as a young Jamaican woman, proud and bold.
No,
All right. Congratulations.
Look at me now. See me less than good. Right?
So listen though, I want to know if you can put the number of your social media followers on your resume. Is this a thing now? Is like this qualifies you for things?
Right.
These are just the numbers that you
Influencer.
It's okay. Okay.
It show you have influence.
I see. Or
Why
just
not?
hey.
Well, you know, congeniality also transfers to the virtual sphere as well. So she has shown that she can carry a crowd not only in person, but over the World Wide Web.
You see how Miss Lady Lalabella just
Always
just
articulated.
She got you covered. She got you covered.
Absolutely. And it's so beautiful to be able to see gorgeous melanated women wearing their crowns proudly and representing their nationality.
That
Great.
is right. That's right. Everybody, you're in tune to the Island Heat Radio Show podcast right here on APAP Media. We are your host, DJ Superbag.
I'm Lady Lalabella, and we're talking about the queens. So it's only right that we talk about the one named Shenseea, who has recently landed a special feature with the queen of R&B, if I may say so myself, Mariah Carey.
Trouble Dede. Wow, this is a really, really big deal for Shenseea and Mariah Carey to have a song collab together. Shensea's been putting in her work.
Absolutely, and this song titled "Sugar Sweet" has been teased by Mariah Carey, who dropped the song and the singer's Instagram story last Thursday. She featured this track, and no one knew the collaboration was coming. She just dropped it out of thin air, and it has just blown up on social media as the news spread through platforms like X. Users reacted with eye emojis, signaling their curiosity, and an unexpected pairing with not only Mariah and Shenseea, but also American R&B artist Kalani.
Should we give them a little taste of it?
Yeah, man. Let them know what it sounds like.
Mariah Carey featuring Shenseea, y'all.
Mariah, how you do? Walk to the car, and there you are. Can't explain the rush that I feel. Open up the door, you pull me towards you, then you put your lips on me. I really, really like when I put it all together for you. I'm gonna take my time. My nails had new perfume. Hate it when you have to leave, but I don't say a thing, 'cause I will absolutely get the ring. No worry, no worries. Oh, baby, 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 I'm gonna use my expertise. I'ma keep it nice, I'ma keep it neat, I'ma keep it sugar, I'ma keep it sweet. I'ma keep it nice, nice, neat, neat, sugar, sugar, sweet, sweet. Keep it nice, nice, neat, neat, sugar, sugar, sweet, sweet. I hope that you don't mind, I'm gonna take my time. I'ma keep it nice, nice, neat, neat, sugar, sugar, sweet. You make me melt like candy, only you can make it drip that kind of way. My baby come in handy,
Caribbean music, y'all, coming at you. You know how we do.
Sounding real good.
Hey, Mariah still got it right there. She's
That's
featuring.
soft, sultry.
Where my Sheng Yangs at? Where my Sheng Yangs
The
at?
Shenseea gang. Shenseea again.
I hope that you don't mind. I'm gonna take my time and I'ma keep it nice, neat. Yeah, we keep it nice. I'ma keep it sweet. And I'm full of sugar. Come get a rush from me. I got what you like, what you wanna beat. Let me get your knuckle chatting like a parakeet. Oh, this aroma sweeter than the oil. Keep my body tight, treat you right, cause you deserve this. Be nice and sweet, I love the abide. And the guarantee to love you proper. So sweet like a gizzada. Me, I gotta lock it down, praise the song, keep the bump around. So I'm getting older, I'm with you, boy, you gon' keep me young.
What you think? What you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, and I got a sweet tooth. I like it. I like it.
I want to see a video. I want to see Mariah and Shenseea in the video.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, they're blowing us up in the chat. Pure things are going. I'm a big up Jamaica. Them a big up everybody.
Speak harmony. Speak harmony. Speak harmony. Why is that so familiar?
I think it's a show that comes on tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 7 p.m.
Yes.
Right here, APAP Media.
That's right.
That's right. That's
Give them to our friends.
That's my good friend and them.
Yes.
That's my sister and them. Y'all, but make sure to tune in tomorrow, 7 p.m.
Make sure you tune in tomorrow. Are we giving them the rundown of what's happening in the ATL this week?
I think we can go ahead and do that. We can definitely do that. It's about that time.
Well, you already know that the event coming up is UB40 at the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. That'll be on the 17th of August. And we also mentioned what's coming up this weekend, the gala, the ball, that'll be occurring as well at the American.
Yeah, let's go ahead and throw that one back up there. I want to make sure everybody has a chance to make sure you get all of the information. Go ahead and purchase your tickets for this very, 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 very auspicious occasion. All right, you want to make sure you are there and in the building, and it's not a Jamaican only. Friends of Jamaica are invited as well. All right, everybody come on out. And when you say friends of Jamaica and doing things for the community, and especially for the families in the community, Mikey Sparkles, who is not only going to be one of the DJs on Saturday night, but each and every year he has hosted annual family fun day, and that goes down on September 7th this year, Litonia Amphitheater. You all know that's the place to be. All right, the man himself, Chub Rock, is going to be in the building, and of course Steely Bashment, Lukey D is there he is. Yeah. I knew he was on the lineup. And Mark Dragon is also going to be there. Oliver Samuels is going to be the special guest host. And Dr. Elaine Grant Bryant is also going to be in the building. DJ Pampy, DJ Cole Rice, and Mr. Cheeks from the Lost Boys. Star-studded event, y'all. Coming out, kid-friendly, family-friendly, good vibes.
All right, and if you're ready to be bodacious, you done know the B word. I'll come up on my Earth Strong. That's right, September 19th. Denise, a.k.a. Somatan, a throw one mad bashment. You already know set the music by Bugsy Bum Bum, DJ Tony B, DJ Frost, DJ Blue, and DJ Pow. So it's a crazy lineup. Make sure you guys get your tickets. Admission is $19.99 at the door, and it'll be held at the B Word Boulevard.
That's right. And as we did just mention, tomorrow, Speak Harmony podcast from 7 p.m. To 8 p.m. right here on APAP Media YouTube. Make sure you tune in. Sharon Thompson is going to be there, and always have wonderful
in our
press.
colors. And she's doing a special episode tomorrow with Dr. Sharon Reed of the Atlanta Jamaican Association.
Yes. Do remember, folks, each and every Monday right back here, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, you know how we do, right? And also do remember, each and every Friday. You can catch Red Carpet Shelly, DJ Passport, and myself on WRFG 89.3 FM for the Caribbean Running Show from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Longest running. Right?
Longest running. Atlanta history. I mean,
Hanging in there.
24 years plus going strong.
Consecutive.
The longest running Caribbean program on the FM dial in the state of Georgia. What?
And we ain't going
Nowhere.
Can't be
Yeah.
now.
Lady Lalabella, you gonna stick around for another 21 years so we're gonna try to keep up with and do what Island Heat is doing?
We're commemorating Jamaican independence.
All right.
And of course, we're making history right here in APAP.
Right.
So it's only right that I stick
all right.
around.
We gonna plant the flag in the ground, and Island Heat is here to represent for the community. That's what we do. See, do it for the culture. Do it for the culture. All right? That's what we're talking about.
We do it for the love, not the like.
Hey, Chronix was at Reggae Land.
Chronix was at Reggae Land. It was a chronic sighting.
It was a Chronix sighting. New song and everything. Apparently new album called Exile. Okay. Appropriate, don't it?
It is.
All right.
From Capture Land to Exile.
It just better be good. Anyway, we're not going to get into that yet. Folks, it's almost
coming soon.
It's the top of the hour.
Sure.
Welcome to the second hour here of Atlanta's top rated Caribbean podcast. This is episode 91, everybody. We are your hosts, DJ Superback.
And Lady Lala Bella. Oh my goodness, Island Heat family. Welcome to the second hour. This next segment is all about the hottest tunes by Caribbean artists and producers based right here in the state of Georgia. We're going to kick off the countdown with number 10. This is Rosh Frazier Jr. with Prophecy Revived.
See him so them done, my lord. Hello, sir gods. Make them know I don't care if you like and even if you don't speak to no, I don't forward for impress no one. I know they are so feel live up to no one expectation. With self-determination, you will make it if you try. You're not fit bad mind and next man. Follow the application. Righteousness lead the earth and I govern the nation. Prophecy reveal and I can see it very clear. The most I never give you more than you can bear. To be poor is a crime that is so unfair. And if you're dark and illiterate, you cannot make it out there. They keep on searching for things out of space where them just can't find.
The voice of Rosh Frazier Jr. right there with Prophecy Reveal in the number 10.
Seal.
Yeah.
And we're at the number 9 single. It's Rosh Frazier Jr. again here, this time with Natty King. This song is called Disgrace.
I and I want to know how we do know. Well. And this is Rosh Frazier Jr. alongside a living legend, Natty King. Whoa, they might fool some people, still they can't fool everyone. Wake up, take a stand, cause we know what a galang. Rise, cause of our time, like Moses, I know what time the universe is calling us. I know you see the signs. Mother Earth vex with Babylon, so them doom. And for your reward, Mother Earth bless you with landslide or typhoon, violating the laws of nature. And I behave like them are the almighty creator. What a disgrace upon the human race. Them system corrupt and them fake. Tell them in a friend, fi kick Bobby wrong in a them face. No more black sisters you can't rape. Black man you great. You them coulda never underrate. Tafari give you strength to elevate. Free up the prison gate. Black man war repatriate. Unless a lightning and earthquake. Hey Babylon, and you feel no arena judgment. Fire me fi purge fi them, no say Jaja love them. Cause them are wicked, them are evil, them are serpent. That she fire now, because it's urgent. From me see and you feel no I am just chosen. Someone love me and use and go around them. Every black man is a king, so we have to crown them. From them full of bad energy, we have to load them. What a disgrace. Oh, can't rap.
Black man, you're great. Yes.
Speak live.
Chat about. The voice of Ras Fraser Jr. right there alongside the man Natty King with Disgrace in the number 9 position this week.
And you don't know, said I'm talking about repatriation. So we're talking about going back to Africa, Black August. We're celebrating Caribbean independence. Here at number 8, it's Pressure Bus Pipe with the song named Long While.
It's pressure. I'm belonging to be with you, baby. Oh, you close, yeah. Ooh, it's been a long, long while since I felt something sweet like this. Girl, you make the vibes worthwhile. Feeling that I can't resist. How I'm searching across the world to find you. You suddenly appear. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet like this. Hear me now, baby. When it's me and you alone, I'm turning off my phone. Ooh, you'll be there when I come home. Ooh, 'cause I just wanna chill with you. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet like this. Loving you is on my mind. I'm feeling that I can't resist. Girl, I'm searching across the world to find you, and now you're standing here. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet like this.
Pressure Bus Pipe.
You are my lover.
Yes, you saw me ripping into my eardrum.
You know, you inspired me. You know, we had the whole band going there for a second there.
You were flying. You were flying with your air guitar. Can't tell me different.
Trouble.
And that was Pressure Bus Pipe, Long While, in the number 8 position. We're making our way down the countdown in the number 7 position tonight. We have Pressure Bus Pipe and Humbleness with Bust True.
Ay, burning, 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 burning. Cha. Ay, progress can't stop the African progress. Though the poor man never have it, still not hopeless. Me know the system is a savage. Visit the youths a rise out of the slum, them can't manage. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Open up the gates and make the youth them come through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through every trap you set an obstacle. Step ahead of them, we come for take over, yeah. We go on the road and things a bubble like soda, yeah. Fulfill the mission, man, not carry a load again. Cut off Babylon with me sword again. Hey, keep fight against the border, will turn on you. Continue playing with fire, it will burn on you. Never want to get a youth to reach your level. You can't stop strong and firm rebel. Hey, bust through, get a youth a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youth a bust through. Open up the door and make the youth them come through. Bust through, get a youth a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through.
Yeah, man. I bust you. Yeah. Right to the top, non-stop.
Yes, it just feels like this countdown was curated for independence, emancipation spirit. It's just everything that resonates with what we're celebrating.
Absolutely. You know, reggae comes from the island of Jamaica.
It does.
So it is, I think, you know, it is automatically always going to connect and resonate on, especially days like today, and, you know, today isn't even the day, right? But every day when you're playing place.
All
there
week
you
we're
go.
celebrating,
That's
right?
it. Right, true.
Because the countdown right straight down to independence from Emancipation Day right now.
Right across the
Right,
board.
true,
Yeah, man.
true. We're celebrating from one side of the world to the next. And here we have Deli Ranks. He's made a mark here in the number 6 position. And his message is badness not gonna wear.
We shall overcome. Yeah. We shall overcome. Yeah. We shall overcome.
Every day, all the time.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. General, Delhi. Every youth in a nigga race, no make no gun burst. Madness now go work. Better you try do some hustling and sell some merch. Madness now go work. You can turn a DJ and lock some concert. Madness now go work. Be a trendsetter where you put people first. Madness now go work. Them a shooting fi stop, no more stabbing on the back. Peace me war right round the clock. Murderer no go no further. Listen to them word, yeah. Sorry can't bring no life back. Me know say this system pressure enough youth make them choke it. No for them leave college and can't buy KFC bucket. Before in the coop them can't block it. Me know this in the prison ghetto youths had enough is. Every youth in a nigga race no make no gun burst. Madness now go work. Better you try do some hustling and sell some merch. Madness now go work. You can turn a DJ and lock some concert. Madness now go work. Be a trendsetter where you put people first. Madness now go work. Hey, ghetto girls don't live your life careless. No fight for no man for them, put you on them fearless. Life is for living, so nobody compare it. If you try it and not make the devil steer it. Digital wickedness I go on too often. Now go make politician them control me offspring. The general serious not laughing. Fire we never in a skylarking. Every youth in a nigga race so no make no gun burn.
Remember said badness naga work. Message in the music.
You know, it might pass for some time, but it not gonna work in the long run.
You know the lyric in that song that brought the tear to my eye when he said, "Youth them can't afford the KFC bucket."
Yo, if you can't afford KFC,
especially in Jamaica, if you can't afford a Jamaica KFC bucket, this is
serious.
This is very serious.
Serious thing.
You know, there are people in this world who are really suffering. You know, KFC. Because they can't afford the KFC bucket. You know?
Yeah, that hit me. That hit me emotionally.
But youths don't turn to the violence for the KFC.
Right?
Please
do the right thing.
Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Deadly Banks has spoken.
Liberty.
Yes, there you go. All right. We're halfway through the countdown, folks. We're almost there. We're going to see who is the number one, who's the top song this week. In the number 5 position,
Nika Leslie is making her mark on the countdown, moving on up. This time she is listed in the number 5 position with Face to Face.
I'm about to pull up on you. I know we ain't been seeing eye to eye, but I still want you in my life. Just send me the edit. I'm on my way. Let me pull up on you right now. Don't wanna be too late. Send me your location. Don't let me wait too long. I need to see you face to face. You know, send a missed call them, FaceTime call you. Tell me say you're upset and I'm in and no talking. I'm pipe no finger but tell you started. Tell me say you done becoming too toxic. You said you need some space. I can't go one more day. Need your face on my face. Miss the way your lips taste. I know we ain't been vibing lately, but I still want you in my life. I know we ain't been seeing eye to eye, but I'm still pulling up tonight. Just send me the edit. I'm on my way. Let me pull up on you right now.
Don't pull up. All right.
I'm not even home.
Right there.
I'm out of town. Don't be showing up at my house unexpected.
Just. We ain't been seen eye to eye, but you want to pull up. I don't know. Did you take your meds? Okay, here's the location. All right.
Pull up. All right, cool. That was Nika Leslie Face to Face in the number 5 position tonight.
Yes. Things about to get serious.
As we go on to the number 4, it's Nika Leslie again with Serious.
Serious. It's I get too serious. Serious. You I get too close, as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like you could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart? You will get too close to me. Serious. You will get too close as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like I could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart? You will get too close to me. You got a strong hold on me. I don't know what's taking over me. Don't know where this is gonna lead. Is this how this supposed to feel? Kinda feel like it's supposed to be. Got my chest tight like I'm asthmatic. Like I'm floating off of this planet. Got that stuff that makes me an addict. About to call your mama and daddy. Serious. You I get too close as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like you could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart? You will get too close to me. Serious. You will get too close as I get too serious.
From One Night Stand.
This is that nobody's supposed to be there. How did you get there? Nobody's supposed to.
You know how I got it. You dropped the Addy. So that's how we're here now. It's serious.
Nika Leslie holding down back-to-back spots there in the number 4 position with Serious. Holding strong. That song's about actually the numbers continue to climb. So
Yes,
might be
good.
challenging for number 3 soon. We'll see.
We will see. Well, these next 3 artists are definitely gonna take over the charts. This next single is all about greetings. It's Hello by DeMarco in the number 3 position.
Hello, good morning. I'm ready to go. Hello, today's a good day. Good morning. Today's a good day. I'm ready. Today's a good day. For the world. Today's a good day. Woke up with a smile on my face. I'm happy for today. I'm thankful for today. Yeah. Woke up with a smile on my face. I'm happy for today. I'm thankful for today. I wave by the sun. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave by the sun. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave, I Good morning. I'm ready to go. Hello. Good morning. I'm ready for the world. Hello. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Today's a good day.
One time for happy music, everybody.
Yes, feel good music, good message, and just an anthem for waking up in the morning. Hello.
That's right. That's right. You know, give thanks for life.
More.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. Well, this next artist is not shy at all. She's taking it to the chair. That is right. It's Spice with the number 2 single for today.
Foot for your shoulder, name the black a fola. Push me na the corner while you roll me like a stroller. Me a the controller, fat up like a polar. Change up me mood, cause you know me bipolar. I saw me wide, I don't care. I saw me sit down on the like cheer. Shake me mob, me na the ear. Rock on the body like a rocking chair. Whoa, you find me hot, hot. So me love it when you me mouth back. Hot. Come now. Me with the body, pan the body. That's how me know fit and toddy. Make me remember that like a study, me a study. Roll me na the dirt, make me dirty, make me muddy. I saw me body fit like a fickle. Over hold me ankle. Dinna be in the angle, this triangle. Me hot and make it burn me like the wax punk angle. Wrap up on me body like chain when it tangle. I saw me wide, I don't care. Under me clean, fresh under here.
I know you know Spice.
Shake it. Rocking that chair, boy.
Pick up to the queen every time. There's like just about something in the dirt and no. See, if it's called on videotape, you get in trouble. But them kind of things, you got to be careful now. You can't be, you take it out of context. You gotta be careful now. You gotta be careful. The Queen Spice doing her thing right there, chair in the number 2nd position.
And it's time for us to give you the rundown of the Caribbean Countdown for tonight as we premiere the number 1 single. Number 10 tonight was Ross Frazier Jr., Prophecy Reveal. 9 was Ross Frazier Jr. and Natty King, Disgrace. 8 was Pressure Buzz Pipe, Long While. 7, Pressure Buzz Pipe, Humbleness, Bust True. 6, Deli Ranks, Badness Naga Work. 5, Nika Leslie, Face to Face. 4, Nika Leslie, Serious. 3, DeMarco, Hello. 2, Spice, Chair. And the number 1 single for the official Atlanta Caribbean music charts is DeMarco, Go My Best Friend.
Someone add a beat to this real quick.
You a step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. For my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not threat send. For my best friend. And if I trouble out the road, back a step then just say direct when. For my best friend. You know that. For my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. Talk to them, Marco. Pledge allegiance, pan the battlefield for me friend, never leave one. Don't find them in any state, any region. Retaliation is a must. Ask Elon. Defend me friend them anyway, I when I be one. Cherish your real friend them when you receive one. Your real dog motivate you to be strong. We're loyal to the T-Fam. You a step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. For my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not threat send. For my best friend. And if I trouble out the road, back a step then just say direct when. For my best friend. You know that. For my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. No bad mind, no jealousy. I just love we are show no bad energy. Swear to God, say me proud of me friend, you see. Bartender, give me one more anything. Put in the footwork, we create legacy. But focus on know what them could have said to me. Them stack up with the bread, create equity. Open doors, I want me feel like sesame. You a step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. For my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not threat send. For my best friend. And if I trouble out the road, back a step then just say direct when. For my best friend. You know that. For my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. Who might fight, who might call.
Well, there you have it. DeMarco, King of the Hill, yeah?
Holding it down.
Last week, she was here with us in the building.
July.
Let me tell you something. Got a lot of good feedback about that interview. Yeah.
So professional. So humble. So talented. The energy is infectious. Definitely go check out the interview if you haven't already seen last week's episode.
That's right. This is July Bailey coming at you with Be Somebody.
You better.
If you want it, go there, you can have it. Say I don't be somebody. Say I don't be somebody. If you know that you have life, you got strength, you got pride. More time you feel you don't take enough. The journey tough, but baby girl get up. Because you can't peak without crying. You can't speak with no voice. And movie did I tell me from time. Say me was a star from night. I'm a believing, I'm a grind. I'm a believing, I'm a try. Once we can see it in my mind, that simply means it is mine. No, me not sleep, me not time. No, me not leave because through your struggles are where you find yourself. Can't wait for help from no one else. So if you want it, go there, you can have it. Say I gon' be somebody. I gon' be somebody. feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back. I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back. I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back. I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back. Wait for me, I'm coming, oh just wait for me, patiently, speak to me, 'cause I like when you talk me through it, speak to me, gently, 'cause I got that pipe water, put it on your one data, I want it away, no brother, I mean no brother, 'cause I'm not no night walker, action just the way, no talker, I want my thing in wine faster, wine, I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back, I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back, I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back, I feel hot, so much sweat dip on my back.
Fever, that's the new one. Make sure y'all go out there and
Hot.
stream it. July Bailey, y'all. So, Lady Lalabella,
Talk to me, Pack.
this is episode 90 of Atlanta's #1 top-rated Caribbean podcast, the Out and Heat Radio Show podcast.
Absolutely. And we've been doing some extraordinary things.
We have, we're like superheroes.
We are.
Yes, we're like, we're podcast Avengers.
I love that.
You know, and we're far from the Caribbean, so we just got that extra something
Absolutely.
that you don't even know what it is, but we just got it.
Oh, you mean?
Just got it like that.
Monday's just been heating up, and make sure you get your weekly dose. If you're not watching live, make sure you catch up on all the episodes on our YouTube. And of course, we're powered by APAP Media.
That is right. That's right. Now we're here. Use the platform to promote music,
Yes.
artists, the culture,
Community.
the important things that people need to know about, right? We want to make
educate
sure.
through entertainment.
There you go. That's what
That's
it's all
what we're
about.
here for. We're here for you.
That's all about. Now, I don't know if you've come across online DJ AG
Oh, yeah.
and the sensation that he's created
Amazing.
by creating a platform, especially for artists to to just express themselves and showcase to the world,
And sound system culture, bringing that sound system culture across the world in different locations and different sites and bringing people together in community.
Now, you see what's happening? Like the people that you can't get to go anywhere unless you show up with a $250,000 US. They're showing up.
They're coming because you've built the platform.
Built the platform, and Burna Boy
Sierra.
in the streets. Sierra, I mean,
Countless others.
just who doesn't know? Everybody has caught on. They figured out, and AG is the place to be. So wherever he's at, artists are finding their way to the platform. Folks, if you're not familiar, let's put you in, because you must be, you're
Under
not,
rock.
You're not from the rock. You're under the rock. But let's put them on, Lady Lalabella. Let's fill them in.
So DJ AJ Online has been embracing his Jamaican culture. He's used his platform to promote up-and-coming artists. He's known for his unique ability to fuse authentic music with spontaneous street performances. And DJ AG Online has quickly become a cultural phenomenon. It all started in 2024 when DJ AJ decided his real name was actually Ashley Gordon, didn't know, began attracting a widespread attention across the UK with his open format DJ sets staged in public spaces. My mission is very clear, he said with conviction. It's all about community and bringing our people together by interaction and with music. And that's saying a lot in the day of social media.
Yes.
When everybody's stuck to their screen, it makes you want to get out and be in the streets and feel the music.
Yes, get out, be in the streets so you can be online.
It's like the mirror within the mirror.
It's right. There you go.
But at least the reflection is looking better, though.
I agree. Now, AG initially wanted to highlight his DJ skills when he started DJing live from the streets. However, the approach swift thanks to a conversation that he had with a good friend, Christopher Cargill, who encouraged him to use the platform to spotlight and encourage artists. Despite initial doubts, he embraced the suggestion, and that decision would ultimately redefine his platform. His first prominent artist was Daddy Freddie in Brixton. Honestly, he said, at the time, he didn't know who the artist was when the content went super viral. And that was the first encounter with realizing that maybe we've got something here.
And from that moment on, the momentum only intensified. His efforts to spotlight Jamaican talent also gained traction. He has collaborated with dancehall and reggae heavyweights like Beanie Man, Skeng, and Sanchez, while continuing to highlight local rising Jamaican voices.
Listen, Barris Hammond, Marsha Griffiths, Romain Virgo, Ding Dong was out there the other day. I've seen Harry Tadler, Queen Africa. The list is just everybody. If you're an artist right now and you've not just shown up on AG's platform, literally, they just find him and pull up on him on the streets, and it's amazing.
And born and raised in England by Jamaican grandparents, DJ AG maintains a deep connection to the island and has openly expressed a desire to one day settle back home in Jamaica. From the bustling UK streets as Brixton to the vibrant corners of Jamaica in Halfway Tree, DJ AG continues to turn ordinary spaces into stages and everyday encounters into moments of musical mastery.
Yes. Shout outs to the DJ every time doing that. Do listen.
And the people who've made it possible for him to have this kind of platform. It's based on you, the listeners and the viewers who tune in, who are consistent, and who also show support. So thank you to everyone who's constantly showing love on Instagram, showing love on social media, and tuning in every week for our platform as well.
Yes, thank you so very much.
It feels good.
It really, really, really does. And let me tell you, after 91 episodes, knocking on the door of 100, you can't do it if the people aren't giving you that energy back. So definitely thank you all, everybody, 100%. God is truly great. Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And the platform's only getting bigger and better.
That is right. I want to go ahead and just drop a couple more tunes. All right. And I do want to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and mention who we're going to have with us very soon, because, we can't ever short up on the information.
Absolutely. And our day one followers, you guys will be the first to know who our
That's
our
right.
guests will be.
That's right. So let's get back into some music, y'all. This is the voice of Lila Ike.
Hi.
Alongside
Protoje.
Not the Proto this time.
Not the Proto this
Not this Proto.
Who this?
This is the queen of the dancehall, Patra.
The queen.
I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call.
Brand new Lila Ike. Alongside Massacre.
Talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a
Sampling classic Patra.
By Patra.
come vibe, no. Come on for your pumps and pride, no. Didn't your friend come tell us me like yo? Make you hype, so I mean know you like the vibe, but you want more composure. I bet you if me get a little closer, want to grab me like your controller. I make note of how me waist and move so nice. Hey, yes, I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call, Lila Ike, you can't go take the broad. Hey, I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call, Lila Ike, you can't go take the broad.
I don't want the calling. Telling you what I say I love you from when. One star, nothing no bother from them. You know star, when you're buying a problem. Your phone line, ring, and be again. Now ease up and be a pressure me a son, and if you don't pick it
baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call. Lila, you can't go take the fraud. No, I'm on a romantic call. Talking to my baby round on me yard. I'm on a romantic call. Lila, you can't go take the fraud. Hey, hey.
Around your finger, spicy like a ginger. Girl, you got me wrapped around your finger, spicy like a ginger. Hey. Girl, you're different, and you got sent. Well, excellent, girl, you're magnificent. Girl, me love your skin tone and all your skin tint. Take it to the residence where I'm the president. Girl, I want to represent, give you this good love, girl. You don't know I'ma keep my word. Give you this thing, make you fly like bird. Straight up to the sky, no slide, no swerve. Yes. Cause I don't know about your plans tonight, but I want you feel alright. Right away, baby girl, let me tell you this. Cause you gotta let me treat you right. Cause you're just my type. You heard me, bang, bang, bang. Girl, you got me wrapped around your finger, spicy like a ginger. Girl, you got me wrapped around your finger, spicy like a ginger. Baby girl, cause you got something different. You got something different. You got something different. You got something different. Bang, 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 yo. So turn up the light, I'm gonna take you there. Don't bring no drama, let down your hair. Sit, lay down right here. There's no competition, no one compare. Where would you rather be than right here? Let's do it.
21st time, you entice me. Very tempting, exciting, like flying in private from buses.
This is Mystic Marley.
In the clouds so high right now. I give you
Song called Sugar.
right now. You say you want it truly. It's too late. It's too late.
She said, let me cater to you. I say cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing.
Right away.
No.
Bang, bang, bang. So girl, brace back on it, I'll be right there. Bend over, girl, and give me that stare. Crown, I want give you for the wine of the air. Raise and I move like fire in there. Bubble, give me trouble, don't stop, me no care. Change the gear, rewind it right there. Press it back for me, girl, down by the fair. One question in your ear, are you ready for the real marathon? Girl, come in, know you are good champion. Always ready for the rebel, like a rebel, girl, you're hot on every level. Wind up one quad. Girl, are you ready for the real marathon? Girl, come in, know you are road champion. Always ready for the rebel, like a rebel, girl, you're hot on every level. Me want you wine and quad.
Take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, she said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, and then she bubble and wine. Push back. It's the greatest man. Push back. Roll your waist and bend over. Push back. Oh,
Oi. And she bubbling. That was our video feature last week.
Yes. Very good songs. I see that sugar and sweet are theme. From Mariah to Mystic.
Yeah. There's a lot of sugar in the world. There's a lot of sweet and good things in the world. Yeah, there's a lot, but there's also a little bit of bitter sometimes. But that is all right. That is all right.
Have to savor the moment. Savor for
because
what it's worth.
we also have the spices. Yeah.
Love my ginger. Look
So Sean Paul's new song Ginger. Yeah, I'll see what you did right there. I'll see how you did right there. And then of course him and young brother, the greatest been over.
But we need that. Sometimes you just have to take it. Sometimes you got to give it.
All the while.
We're talking to things right here on Island Heat. I'm your girl, Lady Lalabella.
Alongside DJ Super Pet.
All right.
All right, we have just a few minutes left in the program, but I do want to give a little spotlight to this young starlet who is on her way up and doing some major things in the business. We hope to be talking with her in a couple of weeks. And, we were supposed to have talked to her a few months ago. But a little daylight saving time kind of mishap occurred, you know what I mean? And
but nothing not stop her.
Nothing at all.
She's just been rising and doing amazing things, as well as just released an album, a project.
Yes. With a big producer behind it too.
Yes, and we're talking about the one named Yeza. This is derived from the word Yezambique, which means strength and resilience. Born and raised in Bull Bay, Eastside, St. Andrew, Jamaica, and has been dubbed the Lyrical Lioness and the Rebel Empress. Her journey started in 2017 with her recording at Bobby Digital Studio, Everything is Irie, and that was born out of a collaboration that now has skyrocketed her to the top with singles like Is It Because I'm Black, produced by Rorystonelove, and a recent feature with the legendary Sizzla Kalonji on Glory. She also has collaborations with Monkey Mark, Black Hero, Turbulence, Tough Like Iron, Serengeti, as well as the one named Patra.
That is right. That is
Organic remix.
That's right. She's doing her thing. And she is going to be our video feature of the day. This is
and appropriately so, Rebel Up.
Rebel Up. This is Roadrunner by Yeza, alongside Rorystonelove.
Now them style different.
Yes, I come to lock it. Read them like a semi-automatic. Don't stop it. Crime and poverty, I get a dropping. Ay, ay. Time straight, so prepare for vent for yourself. Asphalt off a bun up. Hustle from sundown to sun up. Respect your side, man. Work hard in a sun out. Enough man never take no gun up. Every hustler gets applaud. Fresh fruits in a dozen. Hey, every make a muckle. 1, 2, 3, 4, work, we a juggle. Although the system corrupt, belly still a empty. Food for the stomach, road a fi wrap up. Skin too soft, better tough up. Papa in a lip, yeah, so me a fi get the status a figure for. Anything me want in a me power. Road runner every second, every hour. Touch road a fi crush it. Whether peanuts or bag juice in a bucket. That a send picnic go a school and college. No one no frowns when mama gonna town for the cabbage. Now floss me money and I no party. Prefer buy a pop soap for me dirty laundry. I fi knock it hard consistently. Some a try a thing and I quit next week. No stone no left and turn when we look it. Walk scarce a yard, plane ticket get a booking. Grow up in a the dirty, so this is not a rookie. Everything is profit if you know shopping. Everybody put your hands together, start clapping for the real MVPs in the Jamaica street. How them a go on like we never work it. When now we look the food where we eat. Road a fi wrap up. Skin too soft, better tough up. Papa in the lip, yes, so me have to get the status I figure for. Anything me want in a me power. Road runner every second, every hour. I miss a boss man, give me every money where you owe me. Give me liquor share or something, I need them not lonely. I am not Lauren Hill, so you not go kill me slowly. So we have to juggle on the side, we do it proudly.
Chat
I
about.
miss it, every little youth for your house, for the dream, go get where you did war. Remember dollars on every little thing, the system is a fraud. Full-time poor people collect them reward. Me want face in a business card in everybody yard. Me say pick up in the East 8 miles will be out when me come from. Kick the one of them out of me with them and go think of Van Damme. Rebel no apology, I feel me slogan. We don't want to see no ones about them, I feel move me. Road I feel rough up, skin too soft, better tough up. Papa in the liquor, so me have to get the status I figure for. Everything me want in a me power. Road runner every second, every hour.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, I rebel up.
Chat about. She's been doing her thing, working with Rorystonelove.
And Organic is more than just a song. It's a celebration of self-love and well-being with 1.5 million views and 80K social media impressions. Yeza is here to stay.
Yes. Great music. She's up and coming, and we have her scheduled, so we'll be talking with her
looking forward
really
seeing
soon.
her soon.
Now, last weekend, I missed out on the good fun, but King Rudie and our good friends was it Exile won.
Yes.
And of course, Mellow Sound.
Yes.
And got together and they did a 25-year juggling reunion.
Yes. Bojangles as well.
Bojangles is in the building.
Yes, he was.
Okay.
It was a vibe. And let me tell you, if you know anything about old school vinyl, it even though it wasn't that, it gave you that feeling because the communication with the crowd, the keeping up with each individual track, the intros, all of that is necessary to build up anticipation for this special. And it was amazing. So many great stories were shared, so many great singles and dubs were cut, exclusives too for the event.
Okay.
And big up King Rudie every time. I'm biased because he done it with my brother, but Exile did his thing. He closed that with a mad dub, and it was just a good night.
All right. Shout outs to everybody who made it out there.
The Cricket Club.
Cricket Club of all places. Right. Yeah, it's been a while.
Yes, there's some history.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Not everybody know about the Cricket Club now. Not everybody know about the cricket. You have to be really I want to say grandfathered in.
Yeah, inducted into
but it's like a old
music fraternity.
Yeah.
Yes. I just get me by design. Just know what.
You just know what.
Yeah.
It helps when your big brother is one of Atlanta's legendary sound system, or there's a selector. So
from my idea, I'm naming no sound system culture. Of course, it's only right, and we're celebrating August, Black August, which it's like you said, so many great birthdays, amazing events, and of course Marcus Garvey commemorating his contributions as a national hero and Jamaica's #1.
Yes, folks. We're celebrating 63 years of Jamaica independence. We want to thank everybody who's tuned in with us for the last 2 hours here. Thank you so very much to Dr. Hall for joining us on the program. And do remember, everybody, once again, you have to purchase your tickets online right now. You can go out to the Atlanta Jamaica Association's website and make sure you purchase your tickets in advance for the big ball coming up on August 9th. Okay?
You better believe it.
That is right. Now, there's some big birthdays being celebrated today. Now, shout outs once again to Aunt Judy celebrating her birthday today. Spice Grace Hamilton, the queen of the dancehall.
Don't say.
Also celebrating the birthday today on this, will be on the 6th rather. And Earl Chin Smith and also Dennis Al Capone celebrate birthdays on the 6th.
Amazing. And the one crooner, Biddy McLean, will celebrate on the 8th of August.
On the 11th, Kaleido and Dax Lyon will celebrate birthdays.
And if you didn't know, on the 13th of August, Pluto Shervington, also known as Leighton Shervington, will be celebrating a birthday as well.
That is right. That's right. Listen, we're gonna go out with some music. We're gonna go out with some festival music, because we in that with. If you love Jamaica, say yes.
Yes.
That's the name of the song. Let's go. This is Doxology, the man himself, Earlington, coming at you.
We work so hard to put food on our table. When vacation time comes, we can't afford it. We're just not able. But mark my word, the same way you believe in your Bible. I'm coming to Jamaica this year. That's plain and simple. What's going on in this country is out of control. The wickedness and bigotry has been unfold. It was already great and as good as gold. This place was a piece of paradise. That's what I was told. You know when I love Jamaica, island in the sun. I love Jamaica, the beach, the food, the coffee, the rum. I love Jamaica. Coffee Me Island is the best. I love Jamaica. So if you love Jamaica, say yes. Yes. It's nice to have a place that you can go. That if push come to shove, there's a place that you can go. If they say boy go home, I will have no sorrow. Cause if it is Jamaica, I will be back home tomorrow. Give me my Jamaica. Jamaica, you nice can't done.
Let's end it a little bit traditional, yeah?
Shovel in your hole. Take up your books, the people, let us go. Call out the youth, man, brother, let us show. Sweet Jamaica, we really want to go. If them a dreadlock run, them make them come. If them a screw face, run, them make them come. If them a ballad, run, them make them come. Run them, make them come.
I never like that ballad line still, either.
Yell yard, man. Yeah, yard man, don't respect. I want to yard. I respect and love man to all Jamaica, no matter where in the world. One eye, like I own you. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birthday pass I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. No matter where in this world I go,
I am a Jamaican. So listen, because of independence, we're gonna give ourselves a holiday, and we're gonna be off next Monday. Okay, everybody.
But make sure you keep up with us on social media. Island Heat Show.
That is right. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. We're on YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
So please, on all our platforms, just tune in, like, comment, share, subscribe. All right, we're building a real family here.
A movement.
Let's go. Let's get it. Everybody, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Peace and love. Until next time, we out.
a boy can run, that is a Jamaican. When they see the Rasta man from Jamdong, that is a Jamaican. Dressmaker, baker, tailor, shoemaker, market, woman in a donkey car.
Island Heat Caribbean Show. APAC Radio. Keep it locked.
Great show.
From yard to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked.